Hello there, my name is Copine Horvath, and today I'm going to do a fun little physics project for my Physics 201 class. So, what are we talking about today? Well, today we're going to be talking about torque. Torque is the ability for a force to be exerted at a certain distance to cause a rotational force. So for this experiment, what I'm going to be using are two bottles filled with different amounts of water, so they have different weights. I'm using a PVC pipe, so I'm using a digital scale, I'm using a tape measure, and for the fulcrum, I'm using a large binder clip. So let's start out with our first experiment. So we want to hang these two bottles off the ends of the PVC pipe and find the center of torque so that if you put the binder clip under one point, it'll balance out even though they're different weights. First thing we got to do is use our digital scale to weigh the whole thing. And we're going to put on the heavier bottle first. So we could see that that's 453.6 grams. Now we're going to put on the less heavy bottle. That is 276.4 grams. Okay, so now that we've got that, what we want to do is hang these water bottles off of the PVC pipe, and that's the second one there. Then that means that we still have to measure how long the pole is. I measured it with a tape measure, and it comes out to be 111 centimeters across. We use this equation here, and we get 41.8 centimeters. I'm going to make a mark, 41.8. And now when we place it on the fulcrum at that mark, we see it works. No, it doesn't. It actually just kind of fell off to this side. What's happening? Well, the problem is the PVC pipe itself generates a torque. See, if I hold it here, it's going to rotate because it has its own torque. So what we have to do is take that into account. If we use this equation here, we can see that it is 297.1 grams. We also have to take into account the full length of this pole, 113.5 centimeters. The center of balance mark should be 47.05 centimeters from the very end of the pole. I'm just gonna make my little mark here. It's actually pretty close. It's one of those things where if you don't get it perfectly, it's gonna move. But there we go. See, it's balancing. See you guys later.